Shut up!
We good?
Yep.
Hey guys, Crazy Chop here, and I'm going to do another Honking video. It's been a long time.
Yes!
You know,
I know, it's awesome, isn't it?
sorry about that, guys. I haven't had something to record with, so now I do. Hog potato, let's do this.
Come on, now. Look like cereal. You must hit him with a spatula.
You hit me with a spatula, I will punch you with the throat.
It's not a spatula, it's a spoon.
Hit me with a spoon, I'll slap you.
Oh, the whisk, got the whisk in. No. Stop.
Ah!
Give me the whisk, god damn it. It's rubber, you're gonna break it. I'm bored, don't kick me. Oh, I can like stir my cereal.
What?
They went out. Sorry, Kelsey. Mom just left when I came up.
Nobody's in there, retard.
Oh God, Jesse, stop. Get Haley. No, he likes me.
Austin, you look like a ghost.
Dude, a ghost blue.
Where'd he go?
Want to get shot, huh?
He's freaking mad at me. Attack him. Go.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Help! Help! Dude.
What the hell? Don't make it hurt too much.
Help! Darren! Help!
I just called over the wild honking potato.
We really have to give a potato costume.
Yeah.
Potato!
Terrifying.
Help!
If I hurt him, you're not gonna be in shit, you know, Austin. Well, Austin is. Me and Darren are.
Hey, come and get me! I'm gonna shoot you. Go get Darren! Go get Darren! He's back there. He's over there. He's over there.
I can see your butt.